Here is how to change the wallpaper of a chat on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then once you're here, you have to click on the three dots which are on the top right. Click on Settings. And then go to Chats, that's over here. Then over here, just click on Default Chat Theme, that's the second option. And we have two options. We can customize the chat color and the wallpaper. So chat color means the color of the messages. So if you click on this, you can change it to any of these colors. Let's say I make it this. Then this is a preview of how the chat would look. And you can just swipe to see other options if you like them. Let's say you like this one. You can just click on the tick, which is on the top right. And then click on Set Chat Color. And then if you want to change the wallpaper, click on Wallpaper, that's here. And over here, they have some default wallpapers if you scroll down. So if you want one of these, just click on them, or else they have more options. You can choose an image from your gallery. For that, click on the first option, and here you can select any image from your gallery. After that, if you want a solid color, click on Set a Color. You can select any of these options and set it to that. Or if you want to create an image with AI, just click on Create with AI. And one last option is default themes that they have on top. So you can just scroll through this list and change it to any of these themes if you like it. But this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.